fish in the falls or
Any more?
Which way, Fulton?
That way.
Cosner,
Moose
wait
country.
Okay, Costner, wait up.
Wait up, Jeff.
This is our AED machine for Jeff Gosner.
The AED machine right there. That's right.
It's our defibrillator.
Medtronic.
Clear.
He's only been shocked 3 times. He's alright. What a day.
Yeah.
Getting better than this.
Joe.
Alright,
Snickers time.
we've made the summit.
We made it a Kelly family record.
Oh yeah,
1 hour and 15
you
minutes.
shattered it. That's where Gosner's playing golf right now.
Zoom in, see if we can see him.
Yeah.
There he is. Smoking a cigarette.
Looking for his golf
On the
ball.
8th hole. He's probably got his feet all
Hey guys,
muffled up.
hey guys. That J will land on your finger if you're patient. He thinks we got food.
You have anything to give him?
Might take a piece of jerky. We've got a picture of my cousin's first wife with one of those on her finger. Right up here. I think it's a Stellar's J, I think is what it's called. Yeah.
Those are the birds that used to do it in Washington, though.
Yeah.
Same ones.
Uh-huh. You remember the guys on that video were feeding the birds? It's the same,
Yeah.
same bird.
What else we got? That's pretty cool. I guess they are carnivores.
Yeah.
Give me a glove, Jay.
Let's do it without the glove. Give me a little piece on your dome.
There she is. Look at that. She's right on his hand, Jay. She was right on his hand.
Just sitting there.
That's fucking great. Oh, that's great. Oh, can't show the kids.
Let me see that piece.
Had to do it. Want to try, Mike?
I do. I was kidding, she's gonna come back.
She was there for a while, wasn't she? Just a couple times, just sitting there.
She is. Come here. There's 2. Everybody's getting brave now.
Hit and run.
Sticking around much.
God, they like Bob. Or that one does. Just sits right in his hand.
Awesome.
That's awesome. I'm bleeding at this point. They're all coming out now.
It's just two of them. I think they just fly away and stash it. Little hidey hole.
Here, Mike, give me that thing.
Looking.
Hey, Kelly.
You got it?
I got your big old fat face coming out of this crevice.
You sure you're recording?
Oh, yeah. Jay and Mike had to take a little break in the passion pit down there.
A little private moment in the,
Jay's getting himself together down there at this point.
Any tissues?
Come on out. Oh, is Jay okay down there? You okay, Jay?
He was great.
Where are you, buddy?
Somebody farted.
Don't light a match down there. Come on out here, buddy. Come on out.
Oh, I can see the top of his head.
He should be smiling. Oh, here's his hand. Here he comes.
Maybe. Her womb was a rocky place where my seed could find no purchase.
I inspired him to poetry coming out of the cave.
He's not out yet.
Push!
I'm too fat. I'm too fat to get out of there.
He's crowning! All right, Bob. It's your turn for the birth. It's your turn for the birth canal.
I'm out of here.
Oh, you got to go in.
Yeah, you could get up there.
In there. Get a picture like the sun going down the crack there. With
Yeah.
Bob down there.
All right, that's the little crevasse.
Is it wet down there?
Yeah, but there's a rock to step on.
Don't lean up against the wall. There's like a rivulet.
What the hell's that?
Water.
Wet. He's gonna do it.
Going in. Just like tonight. Arnold's crack.
Oh wait, no, wait, he's too fat.
Oh, he's never getting out of there.
No, he'll never
He doesn't
make
know
it.
what it's like in there.
He'll never make it.
Exhale, Bob. Exhale.
Hey, Jay.
He's not finding it funny. There he is. Hey, I think
ribs are hurting.
he set a world record for getting in and out of there.
He did. That was really quick. Give me some KY.
My legs are so freaking tired. It's hard to push.
How about that?
He's out. He's a new man.
How about that? He gets a badge.
Birthed again.
Yeah, he gets a badge.
Well done, man. Well done. You conquered your fear. Conquered your fear.
That's great.
Oh, shit.